In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about navigating and utilizing the Udemy online platform effectively. Whether you're trying to enhance your skills, pivot into a new career, or simply satisfy your thirst for knowledge, Udemy is a treasure trove of information. To get started on this journey, let's begin with the initial steps. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. It's always a good starting point for any online adventure. Once you're on the Google homepage, type the word Udemy into the search bar. This action will immediately provide you with a plethora of search results. But don't worry, you're looking for the one that leads you directly to the Udemy official site. More specifically, click on the link that says Udemy Online Courses. This link will take you right where you need to be. After the Udemy homepage loads, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top of the page. Once you click on it, you'll have the option to continue your login process with various methods. For a streamlined experience, select the Continue with Google option. This will allow you to log in using your Google credentials, provided you are already signed in with Google on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see a few options presented to you. Click on My Learning to access your personal library of courses. This area is a central hub, showing you all the courses you're currently enrolled in and ready to learn from. Take your time to explore and click on any of the courses you're interested in picking up from where you left off. As you navigate into one of your courses, you will likely find various sections. Here, you're looking for a section that contains resources such as supplementary materials or downloadable content. Click into any desired section and look for a link labeled Resources. This section can be very handy as it may include additional reading materials, exercises, or any other content that complements your main course. Finally, within the Resources section, you'll encounter a list of content items. Click on any content item that piques your interest. Upon clicking, the resource should start downloading to your device automatically. This feature is perfect for accessing your materials offline or printing out anything you might need for a deeper dive into the subject matter. And there you have it. You are now well equipped to navigate Udemy, log in, access your courses, and make the most of the available resources. Take advantage of these steps, and you'll find yourself getting the most out of this powerful educational tool in no time. Keep learning and exploring new horizons.